Hello guys, in this video we will see how to install and configure MySQL Server 8.4.7 LTS version on Oracle Linux 10.1, but the process is same on Oracle Linux 10 or 10.1 or later versions of the 10 series. Okay, first open the default browser that comes with Oracle Linux, that is Firefox. Then go to MySQL official website, it is mysql.com. Then click on downloads, then scroll down. Click on MySQL community downloads, then select MySQL community server, then select the version. See here we have the 8.4.7 LTS version. Then select the operating system, Red Hat or Oracle Linux. Then select the OS version. See here we have the Red Hat Linux, Red Hat Enterprise Linux or Oracle Linux 10 x86 64-bit. Then select it. See, once you selected it, populated the list of the RPM packages that needs to be downloaded and installed, but instead of downloading each package, just to download this RPM one. So click on download, then click on no thanks, just start my download. See, download started and its size is 875 megabytes. Wait until download completes. Once download completes, then we will enter the star file and we will install MySQL Server 8.4.7. okay, this will take time. I am pausing this video. In meantime, please subscribe my channel for more tutorials. See, download is completed. Now open terminal, go to downloads, cd downloads, ls. Now enter this tar file, tar-except, then MySQL, then press the tab from your keyboard to autofill entire file name, hit enter, ls. See here we have the list of the RPM packages, so we have to execute them to install MySQL Server 8.4.7. Control A, sudo rpm -ivh -no deps, then star.rpm. This command will install all RPM packages from the current directory. Hit enter, provide the password of the sudo user, hit enter. See, we have successfully installed. Control A. Now verify the status of the MySQL server. Sudo systemctl status MySQL D. If you don't give D, it won't work. So try with D. See, there is no systemctl. First command is wrong. See, service not found. Okay, so we have to give MySQL D. See, MySQL server is installed, service is enabled, but it is not started. See here, it is inactive or dead, queue to quit. Now start it, sudo systemctl start MySQL D. Now verify the same, sudo systemctl status MySQL D. See, we have started MySQL server and it is active and running, queue to quit. Control A. Now connect to MySQL server, but to connect to MySQL server, must have the password of the MySQL user account. Either it may be root or non-root account. So we don't have anything, but we can get the list, but we can get the MySQL user root account temporary password by going to sudo more /var log, then MySQL d.log, then grep, then password. Hit enter. See, this is the temporary password. See here, the temporary password is generated for root account. See, this is the one. So this is not same for you. Now set the permanent password for root account. Sudo MySQL _secure installation. Hit enter, then copy this one. As I told you, this is not same for you. Now set the permanent password. Remember this password, later we need this password. I don't want to change again, no. Remove anonymous users, yes. Disallow, no. Remove test data patterns and access, yes. Reload privileges, yes. All done. We have successfully set the password for the MySQL root account. Okay, Control A. Now connect to MySQL server. MySQL -u, username is root -p means password. Hit enter, then provide the password. Hit enter. See, we have successfully connected to MySQL server version 8.4.7. okay, you can also verify the version by running the command select version. See, we have installed 8.4.7. Control A. Now verify list of databases, show databases. See, these are the default databases that comes with MySQL installation. Now create database. See, we have created database bank. Now switch to this database and create a table. To switch to database, we have to run the command use, then provide the name of the database. Now verify the tables. Show tables. See, you don't have any tables, so create table. See, we have created a table customer in bank database. Now insert some data into this table. See, we have inserted these rows. Now we'll create user. Before that, verify list of users, show users. This won't work, but we can get the list of the users by running select user from mysql.user. See, these are the default users that comes with MySQL installation. Now create user. See, whatever is there in singular double quotes, it is the password. Now verify the same. See, we have created a user David. Now exit from the current session and connect to MySQL server with this new user. Exit MySQL-u. New username is David-p. Then provide the password. See here, whatever is there in singular double quotes, that is the password. See, we have successfully connected. Let us verify the currently logged in user. Select current underscore user. See, we have connected to MySQL server with the user David. Now try to access the database that you have created. See, access denied for user David to database bank because we have created user but haven't granted any privileges. That's why we have received this error. Exit. Now we'll see how to stop, start and restart MySQL server 8.4.7 LTS version on Oracle Linux. Sudo systemctl stop MySQL D. Now verify the status. We know how to verify the status. See, MySQL service is stopped. Okay, quit to quit. You can also verify by trying to connect to MySQL server. See, MySQL server is stopped. Okay, now start it. Sudo systemctl start MySQL D. Now verify the status. See, MySQL service is started 2 seconds ago. Quit to quit. If you want to restart, sudo systemctl restart MySQL D. See, MySQL service is restarted 1 second ago. Quit to quit, control A. Until now, we have connected MySQL server by using MySQL command line client. We can also connect MySQL server by using MySQL Workbench DBA. You can search for my YouTube channel how to install MySQL Workbench DBA on Oracle Linux. Okay, we have successfully installed MySQL server 8.4.7 LTS version on Oracle Linux 10.1. ls these files are not required anymore, so I am removing them to clear the space. rm.start.rpm. This command will delete all RPM packages from the current directory. Hit enter. ls we have one more file, remove it. rm mysql, press the tab from your keyboard to autofill entire file name. Hit enter. ls we have cleared the space. Okay, so in this video we have seen how to download, install and configure MySQL server 8.4.7 LTS version on Oracle Linux 10.1. Okay, for more database or Linux tutorials, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.